The Pequots began the 18th century small but independent, with land of their own and the freedom to pursue a traditional way of life. Long at peace with the English, they had even gone to war in defense of the colonies, but by the 1720s, English population was rising so dramatically that the Pequots were becoming mere obstacles in the path of colonial expansion.
The English in time of war called us brethren and esteemed us to be rational creatures. But behold now, they make us as goats, moving us from place to place to clear rough land and make it profitable for them.
I think most of the native leaders of this time understood this process, that the English were very land hungry, and it was just a matter of time before they took land.
3/4 of the Pequots' land was taken away by the middle of the century. Restricted to a tiny reservation and surrounded by European farms, the Pequots were forced to adopt a new way of life.
You needed large amounts of lands to sustain yourself in a traditional way. As the land base became more and more reduced, your choices were fewer people or change your strategy. You leave the reservation to work to augment your subsistence, or you adopt European farming strategies.
Tradition gave way most rapidly at Indiantown, where a group of Pequots embraced Christianity and the radical goals of Samson Occam. Soon, more than half of the tribe would abandon Mashantauquet to migrate west in the Brotherton movement. The Pequots who stayed behind as the century ended were in poor shape to face the difficult times ahead.